I'm JR with Lonestar Masonry Repair. On today's project, we're going to be repairing a perimeter wall. We're in Plano, Texas. What happened is a car jumped this curb and made impact with this panel. It's caving in, so we're going to have to bring it down and rebuild it so it'll be structurally sound. At this part of the project, we've taken down the wall. When we took it down, we realized that they didn't have any reinforcement in the wall. So we're adding this H-ladder reinforcement in every third course. So what that's going to do is that's going to give it strength. And if it were to get hit again, it's going to keep it from collapsing. The rebar is still intact, so we'll be able to help anchor it through that. And then we have these guide angles which help us keep the wall level and straight. It's pretty much like a jig like a woodworker would have to make this work a lot faster. After we have everything prepped over there, while that's going on, we're cleaning the original brick because this brick is so old, it's not able to be sourced. So what we do is we clean the original brick, take off the old mortar on there. We'll blend in some brick that are really close to it. So when it's blended into the wall, it's not going to be noticeable at all. The big thing on this is labor intensive of cleaning all of the wall where it doesn't look like it's been patched up. It makes it seamless. Another process of this project is going to be making sure that the mortar blends in with the original. As you can see, this mortar is dirty and aged, but it's also not dark gray. So what we're going to do is we're going to blend gray masonry cement and white masonry cement so we could be able to get a lighter shade of gray. And then we'll add some buff dye to be able to get that dirty look. Okay, we're done with the project. What we did is we added reinforcement to the wall, adding that wire H-ladder. Also, what we did is we matched the mortar to the existing mortars. That way, it doesn't look like the project has been all patched up. We used the original brick and we cleaned it. So when it dries, it's gonna blend with the rest of the wall. That right there makes the whole project look like nothing happened.